Towards the back, you'll notice only a couple of extra seats, but a couple of additional fuel tanks at the rear of the aircraft that allows us to maintain on task longer. And at the very back, you can just see the workings of our comm jam. We can send out a certain signal from that pod that, when received by an aircraft we're providing training to, will use their defensive aid suite and translate that into a threat. So we can pretend to be different aircraft or different enemy aircraft depending on which signal we send out.